are a type of motors that allow the precise control of position, velocity and acceleration, and then they used to move like in a control steps. You can position it at any angle which you want. The servo motor, when you're going to interface it with microcontroller, you need like 3 cables. The brown cable is ground, then the red cable is plus 5 volts, and then the yellow cable is a signal. But for it is not good to connect a servo motor directly to the microcontroller, because of course, as you know, is a motor and a motor draws more current. So for testing our servo motor, we will be having this setup. We have of course this step up module as they have been used in the recent videos, and then we will be having Arduino. For this module is here just to provide the voltage to the servo motor, of course, to avoid that back EMF can damage the Arduino. Then we have like a positive voltage which will go directly to the plus VCC, to the red, and then you have a negative which you have to go to the minus, and then signal, and then you see the ground of Arduino. It's going to the ground of the step down module, of course, to make a closed circuit. Then we will use a pin 9 of Arduino as a pulse width generator to control the motion of our servo motor. Now, as I have the circuit hooked, let me try to jump right to the computer. Of course, we have to connect the Arduino to the computer like this. And you see that the motor starts running, and it is running 180 degrees as the program is said. Let's try to jump to the computer and try to explain the program that is loaded to the Arduino. Okay, if you have your circuit connected and then setup is already in a good position, what you have to do is to open up the Arduino like this, then go to File, and of course, after you install the Arduino, the servo library come built in Arduino. Then you can come to examples and then search for servo, and then run this example, which is a sweep. This example will like a sweep or drive servo motor to 180 degrees and then back to 0, and then repeat the circle. Come check if the board is already set, and then the COM port is already chosen. Then hit upload. Then you see that it is done uploading. Then you can check, and you see that the servo motor is sweeping 180 degrees back to 0 and then repeat the circle. This is the example of sweep. You can like make a little modification and see how you can like make your own angle, make your servo move to certain angle. I will first put a bare minimum to my Arduino to stop the operation or to stop the action that is going on my Arduino. Let's apply this bare minimum. Alright, you see that everything stops, and let's like try to copy all those line of code. Then leave the library, then the servo, then the position, then the servo.attach, leave it as on pin 9. Then here let's try to delete some lines here. We're going to see if we can directly assign angle to your servo. Then here, instead of writing a position, okay, let's make initial position at 90. Then let's here delay like 3 seconds. Then copy this. Then instead of writing a position here, let's assign position to 0. Let's say pause is equal to 0. And then it means we will start putting our servo motor on 90 degrees, wait for 3 seconds, then bring back to 0, wait for 3 seconds, and then repeat the circle. We're going to see if we can jump directly to any angle without like executing any loop. If you upload the code, no need to save. See if the code is uploaded and what will be the output. Alright, you see that it's done uploading. Alright, it goes once and then in the position we try to expect. Yes, you see that it jump to 90 degrees, back to 0 and stops. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you hit subscribe for always getting a notification for new uploaded video which concerns about the component description for makers.